My name is Sam Main, Product Solution Analyst at VIPRE Security Group, and this is a walkthrough of our MSP Security Awareness Training product, Inspired eLearning, powered by VIPRE. Inspired eLearning Security Awareness Training is an out-of-the-box learning program which allows resource-conscious organizations to deliver regular, highly effective security awareness training with little admin effort. Our program has a predetermined learning pathway and consists of regular courses, reinforcing micro-learning modules and phishing simulations, all delivered on a monthly basis. This allows MSPs to deliver consistent, regular training to their customers' users, which helps them to increase their awareness of cybersecurity risks and threats, increase compliance, and reduce the risk of being attacked. Our training content has been developed by adult learning specialists who have studied how to change behaviours through regular training and assessment. Our courses vary in duration, from full 30-minute interactive training videos to 1-minute micro-learning modules designed to reinforce key security principles. Throughout the programme, learners receive comprehensive monthly training on topics which include modern security essentials, avoiding phishing and spear phishing scams, staying secure on email and instant messaging, how to defend against ransomware, as well as password management and the importance of physical security. Successful phishing campaigns are the #1 cause of data breaches. Routinely running phishing simulations on your employees helps to prepare them to be your first line of defense and is a key part of any security awareness program. We have developed VIPRE, one of the most sophisticated anti-phishing simulator tools in the market, to prepare your customers for email phishing and USB baiting. With VIPRE, you can test, train, measure, and improve end-user phishing preparedness, all under one unified experience. And our research reveals that organizations sending simulated phishing attempts to their employees at least once per month decrease their phishing susceptibility rate down to 4%. Our phishing simulations give you real-time reporting by user, allowing you to enroll weaker users in more training to help them improve. And you can choose from our pre-designed templates or design your own to make them even more relevant to your customers. Many businesses view security awareness training as a once-a-year compliance tick box exercise and don't really consider the powerful role that their employees play in the protection of their data and network. Now, while deploying once-a-year security awareness training may satisfy compliance requirements, unfortunately it does not equate to a strong defense strategy. Our learning path has been created to ensure users are always alert to threats. Using a combination of engaging content, ongoing drip-fed courses, and phishing simulations, we ensure that your customers and their users retain what they've learned for longer, leading to better security outcomes. Now, for managed services providers, we know that flexibility is key. Our MSP model allows you to deploy ongoing training to your customers, and our Training Partner Console provides a platform for you to manage your customers in one place. This includes our multi-tenant Partner Console and self-service account provisioning and management. And we've built all of this into a single, easy-to-use package with our flexible MSP model. This allows MSPs to deploy ongoing training to customers. Our SAP for MSP package includes our default monthly learning paths, targeted training, micro-learning modules, unlimited phishing simulations, our multi-tenant Partner Console, self-service provisioning and management, and monthly metered billing. And this is all from the most awarded security awareness training content provider in the industry. Now I'll hand over to my colleague Sean Bobell, who will provide a demo of our platform and show you how you can create a customer in as little as 6 clicks. He'll also cover pre-deployment tasks, adding users and managing groups, publishing a learning path, and where to find help information.
Thank you, Sam. And hello, everybody. I am excited to show the enhancements we've made to our partner console that will allow for self-provisioning of customer accounts for our partners, as well as making it easier to deploy a highly effective security awareness training program to your customers. So from here, this is the partner console. As you can see, we have a new button here for adding organizations. So you can simply click that to add a new customer. Here you're going to populate some information like the customer's name, the point of contact and email address, as well as the active user count. Now, if you would like for the point of contact here to receive the email once the instance is provisioned, you can leave this send onboarding email checked. But if you're going to manage this for them and not give them that admin access, just simply uncheck this box. You're also able to limit the number of licenses they provision. So you can either limit that to a number of users, or since it's being monthly billed and it depends on how many users are in that month, you can leave it to unlimited and allow them to provision as many user accounts as they would like without any blockers. From there, you can just save and next. You'll select the security awareness package here, save and next. Phishproof will be on by default. This is the phishing simulator. So if for some reason you'd like to turn that off, you can do that, but it should remain on. Then save and preview, ensure this information is correct, and click submit. It's that simple to onboard a new customer. Now there is a box here that shows that it might take up to an hour for the provisioning to complete, but in my experience, it's less than 10 minutes. And when you do this, you'll receive an email once that instance is provisioned. So there's no need to log back in to check. You'll simply receive that email in your inbox. Click OK. We can see that that is now onboarding. So in the interest of time, I'm going to jump into another instance here. And what you'll find is we have implemented a new Getting Started guide. This is going to walk you through what's needed in order to start the deployment of the security awareness training. First thing, of course, is going to be pre-deployment action items. So we have some minimum system requirements. Really, it's just any current OS and the latest version of browser. There are some pre-deployment instructions for the LMS, but really the big one to pay attention to is the pre-deployment instructions for Phishproof. Now, since we are sending simulated phishing emails, you will need to do some allow listing, and clicking here to learn more will bring up the instructions on how to do that, what the IP addresses and domains are, and any specific information that we have around different services like your Microsoft or Google services. From there, once you have that done, the next step would be to actually provision some users. And we have a few different ways shown here. One is, and depending on the organization size, will kind of determine the path you go down here, but you're able to register a single user. You can find information here. You can do a CSV import. So if you want to have an Excel file with the names and email addresses and other information, you can do that. Or you can tie into your Entra ID or Azure tenant to automate that if it's a large organization that maintains Entra ID. Clicking on Learn More will take you to the help page for each of those services or features, and clicking the button here will take you to the page to actually do that configuration. Now, once we have users in the platform, there are some other options. There's the ability to create groups. So if your customer wants to deploy different training to different departments or to different groups of people, we do have the ability to create rule-based groups based on profile fields. So you can say if everybody in the finance department or everybody in the customer service department, or perhaps there's different locations and they map those attributes over. You're able to create groups based on those profile fields and then assign different courses to them. Now, assigning courses would be the last thing, and here we have the instructions on how to assign a course to an individual user or enroll them by a group. So we have those different departments maybe that want different training, and then also the learning path. Now, what's unique about our offering is that we've made it very simple to easily deploy that kind of spaced learning and a really good, strong security awareness training program by simply provisioning users and then publishing the learning path. And what I mean by publishing the learning path is once you've got your allow listing done and your users provisioned, then you can simply go into the courses and learning path. And when you're ready to start the training, you simply publish the learning path. This is going to be something that gets rolled out to everybody. And to show you what that learning path is, it's just a series of milestones that are going to be deployed on a particular cadence. So it starts with an assessment, then it's going to do a phishing simulation, then a training course, a phishing sim, another training course, a phishing sim. And these are on a 15-day cadence. So each month they'll receive a piece of training and a phishing simulation. Most of these training courses are going to be in the 5-minute time frame. So it's a very short piece of training that's sent out every month. But what it does is it strengthens that cybersecurity culture within the organization you're deploying it to by implementing spaced learning and making sure that people don't forget the important information they need to remember to keep the organization safe. Now, I did mention that most of the courses are 5 minutes or under. The ones that are kind of outside of that would be like the security awareness essentials. This is meant to give everybody in the organization kind of a baseline understanding of topics. And this course is going to be 30 minutes long, so it's a bit longer. You're able to modify these. So if you have customers that want to do something on a different cadence or add or remove, it's easy to adjust by simply editing the cadence. So maybe they just want to do something every 30 days, you can do that. Or if they want to remove things, you can simply delete that. Or if they want to change the order that things are in, you can simply drag and drop to do that. But once you have it configured the way that you want it, the last step would be publishing. From there, people will get the enrollment emails for the first milestone. Every week they will receive a reminder email if they have incomplete training. If you've passed over supervisor name and email, we can automatically escalate to the supervisors any past due training. So it really has taken the guesswork out of creating that program, and we've given you something off the shelf where you can provision users, do some allow listing, publish the learning path, and for 3 years you've got nothing left to do. At any point in the process, if you need help, in the top right corner, if you're logged into an instance, you can click there to go to our help site. Or if you're in our training partner console, you have help here. Another nice thing that we've added is some reporting. So this is an active user count. So since we're billing you monthly, you want to know how many user accounts were provisioned in each one of your customers. So you can schedule this to be sent on a monthly basis on whatever dates you might want, or even more frequently, daily or weekly. Put in as many recipients here as you would like, and then schedule that to be sent. You can also request an immediate report. So if you click here, it will generate that report and then send you a link to download that report. So an easy way for you to know how many licenses you need to bill each one of your customers for before we send that bill to you. If you have any questions, we're here to help. So you can reach out to support@VIPRE.com or support@inspiredelearning.com. Back to you, Sam.
Thanks for that overview, Sean. And thanks for watching. If you'd like any further information, please visit our website at VIPRE.com/partners, where you can find more information about our partner program, our solutions, and security awareness training.